Look what I found, bae. Plants. $17. Now you know. ZZ plant. $16. Just some type of Dracaena Lucky Bamboo. $16. Janet Craig, Fiddle Leaf. I think all of these are all $17, $16. This one's $14. Ivy. Hanging baskets, $12.99. Oh, Wishlist plant. I want this one. It's just in such bad condition. Spider plants, traditional Hartley philodendron, some ivy. Oh, the syngonium. There's music in here. Hopefully I can cut this in and out so you don't hear the music. Traditional philodendron. I feel like I should get this because I've been wanting one. Look at the leaves.
Yeah, to stimulate my mind with some metaphysical vibe, really